VIPs, wow. OMG, today's workout was exceptional. No agony, no bragging. Ladies, remember when we cleaned up all the junk and the clutter last month and we put the excuses, the procrastination, the laziness, the wanting to take the easy route out, and we put it all here and threw it away. Feels so good. And look, I sweated so much. Detox, cleanse, rock hard abs. You are strong mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually, financially strong in all areas of your life. You gotta believe that because you are what you believe. And I'm gonna leave you with this. Being courageous doesn't mean roaring or beating your chest. It means that you're willing to pick yourself up time and time again after you fail, after you fall flat on your face. That's real courage. Being brave, knowing what you deserve and that you're going to do the work to get there. That's the VIP spirit, ladies. It's not calorie in, calorie out. It's not that superficial, one-dimensional fitness crap that we see out there that people are just doing for 2 weeks and then leaving. We've stopped running and we're staring ourselves right in the mirror and we know how strong we are. I personally challenged myself. I added more biscuits to this. As you can see, I added a 15 and 15, 30 more pounds. And for those that were there witnessing the workout, I never even tried that. I didn't know if I was able to lift it, but I did it. You know why? Mind over matter. Yes, and I got calluses there, but I'm proud of these because it says I'm a hard worker. I grab life by the horns and I drag her down. Yes. So what are you doing with your life? Ask yourself this question. Are you living to your true potential? Are you making excuses for yourself? Are you taking the easy way out? Time is up. I demand more of you. I want you to step up. And for those that have stepped up, congratulations, because there's miracles with your names on them that are about to manifest because you're showing up believing in faith that you can do all things you put your mind to. The yoke has been broken. Good and bad can't hang out anymore. So if I have to say goodbye to you, don't take it personally. That means that the survival of the fittest, people. Okay? Survival of the fittest. Right here, right now. If you're already a member, congratulations. If not, go to JNLVIP.com. The best version of yourself is waiting for you in the VIP program. I've been a transformational coach for close to 17 years, and it's not bragging if you can back it up. I've launched product after production, after event, after world conference, 15 books. I'm not going to go on and on and on. I'm not trying to impress you. I'm trying to impress upon you that it's not bragging if you can back it up. And everyone that did the workout today or is going to do the replay, you have the bragging rights. No agony, no bragging. Boom. All right, guys. Salute, set, salute. I'm out of here. Keep it VIP. Love you, Shelby. I love you. Ratiba. That's up. Yes, yes, yes. I love you guys. Keep it VIP. Bye. Woo!